Hello everybody, my name is Ifalabi and welcome to another video. So we are still at home and my friend Irama asked me to do a video on Bofrot. Now, when she said Bofrot, I should have asked her which kind of Bofrot, because there's the dry ones which, in the afternoon you either find the fine yogo man or the woman who sells stuff at the junction. But I did not ask her which one, so I decided to do both, which is the dry afternoon Bofrot and the early morning Bofrot puff puff TOGBE, the one that they eat with Koko. So that's what this video is about. This video is the Bofrot edition of the videos on my channel. So to do this video, I went on my friend Ajofofie's website, that's BlendnWhip, to find the recipe. She has such amazing recipes, and fortunately for me, she had recipes for both. And I'm going to try out both and see which one I prefer. Even though I like them on occasion, it depends on my mood and what I feel like. I'd have both of them. So that's what I'm going to do today. So we are starting with the dry Bofrot, and for that you need 3 cups of hard flour, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, a third cup of granulated sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of instant yeast that's going to make this rise very quickly, 1 tablespoon of freshly grated nutmeg, and you whisk that. And you take 146 grams of water, add 3 tablespoons of evaporated milk. Then you set it in your stand mixer, add it a little bit at a time, and then start the whisking process. Add a 1/4 cup of margarine and then let it mix for 15 minutes in the stand mixer. This next part, actually I made my sister do it because I cannot knead bread dough for nothing. Okay, my mom has made me aware of that oftentimes enough. So we cut this into 12 parts. Instead of, this can make 10 pieces, but we made it into 12 pieces. So knead, space it out so that it has enough space to rise, and then cover it for 1.5 to 2 hours. Onto the puff puff TOGBE Bofrot, and for that you need 448 grams of hard flour, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, 1.5 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon is such a strong flavor, so for those of you who don't like cinnamon, you can opt to take this out. Mix it all together, whisk, 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 whisk. To the dry mixture, you add 1.5 cup of milk and then 3/4 cups of water. Cover it and let it rise for also another hour. Both recipes were ready to be fried. You fry it for 7 to 10 minutes. Unfortunately, when I was frying the dry one, I went to do a TikTok video and it burnt. See how this looks? It looks really amazing. It made the whole house smell very exciting. And we are back. So this is the 2 types of Bofrot. This is the dry Bofrot. I let it burn. I know I wasn't paying attention to it, and then it burnt. Nobody should judge me. Then this is the puff puff Bofrot TOGBE, whatever it is you decide to call it. This is it. So I'm going to try the 2. So the first one is the bread-like interior is to die for. Only thing missing from this Bofrot is my ice cream of granite. And I want to know, why do people eat this with granite? Because it doesn't taste like a lot, but really tasty, really good, very dry. So if you're not into this one is very dry. And if you are going to fry it, please don't watch over it so it doesn't burn. But this is really good. It reminds me of going out, and then we move to this. So this reminds me of early mornings, waking up and then buying this Bofrot and eating it. Sans Koko, because I don't like Koko anyway. So eating this alone is amazing. I'm done with the video for this. So whether you prefer dry Bofrot or you prefer puff puff TOGBE Bofrot, they are both great recipes. And once again, I want to say thank you to BlendnWhip. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Ifalabi. Please leave your comments down below what you want to see me try next, what recipe you want to see me try next. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on my next video.